Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. A very positive morning to all. Let's we start. As I have told yesterday, why I have told morning in this evening, but who missed yesterday's session, I am going to tell again. The morning, the word morning itself implies the positive energy, the positive habits, the positive actions. So whenever you feel yourself tired, let me know, am I audible to everyone? Please type yes in the chat box. Okay. Thank you, Adarsh. Yeah, yes. So whenever you feel tired to yourself at any moment of time, you can say your name and tell positive morning. For example, I'm saying for myself, positive morning, Harita. Like that, you can tell your name and say, you just rock. I have experienced this, that's why I'm sharing again. And let's go. Welcome to day 2. Just we have just a quick recap of day 1, yesterday's, the proven stories we have done yesterday, and the 5 powerful steps to positive thinking. What are those 5 powerful steps? Embrace an attitude of gratitude. You should feel gratitude to yourself, to your life, to each and everything what you are having. And focus on what you want, not on what you don't. If you focus on what you want, you do the things within no time. You can achieve your dreams within no time. And every problem comes with a lesson. Whatever the problems coming in your way, it should gives you a lesson. There are no in the world, there is no people having no problems. Each and everybody having problems. So we should select the positive path. And we have to find the solutions to the problems. And the 4th step was don't believe everything you think. From morning till night, there are so many thoughts surrounding in our head, in our brain. Some may be useful, some may be unuseful. And I think, as I told yesterday, more unuseful things we can discuss and we can thought in our mind about others. I can say about others, about your friends, about your relatives, somebody else, but not you. So don't think everything you think is correct. And the last but not least is boost your mind by letting go of your need for perfection. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect person in this world. Everybody is a learner. Our journey is a learning stage. Our life is a learning. Our whole life is, we should feel like a student. Then only we can grow. Okay, let's go further for day 2. Yes, welcome to day 2. Your words, what are we are going to learn today is your words carry energy. And 6 powerful words makes an impact on your life. We will go detail further on these words. And let us start. Your words carry energy. The one thing in your life you can change is that your words. Your words change your whole life. Your tongue, your words has so much power. Has so much power in, and it admits that it changes your world. Whatever you are in the world, it's because of your thoughts, your words. So let's change these words and you can rock like anything. Everything is in your thoughts. So what are those words? And you should feel like energy when you change your words, when you keep on telling positive words to you, like I'm powerful, I'm fearless, I'm depressionless, and I can do anything and everything. I'm very powerful. Like that, so many words are there. We will go further. And don't say this and say this. And never, in my life, I can say that I never ever use the negative word. 99% I can say. I just avoid. We cannot control our thoughts. As we are human beings, we cannot control our thoughts. But you keep on learning, you keep on going to yourself, you keep on focusing on your thoughts, you just change within no time, I can say. And we can, let us see. And don't say this, I will do it later. Say this, I will do it right now. Whatever the things, it may be easy, it may be difficult, it may be simpler, or it may be difficult thing, it may be long process thing, or it may be short process thing. Whatever be the thing, you should do it right now. You should tune your mind. It will not come in just one day or one night or in just one click. It will keep on going. You just practice on this. Sorry. Anybody want to speak? Okay. So I will do it later. You cannot say. You don't say, you don't open your mouth to tell the negative things. You don't train your mind to think about negative. So I will do it right now. Say this to yourself. And I don't know this. I will find solution for it. I will find solution for it and I do it. As I said before, there is no person in this world having no problems. Each and every person has having problems. It may be small or it may be big, but problems are compulsory. Problems will be definitely will be there. So you should find a solution for it, for each and everything. And you never tell, I don't know this. We know each and everything. We know everything. We tuned our mind that we don't know anything. We know everything. We have to change our mindset. We have to change our thoughts. As I said earlier, first you have to change your words. The first basic foundation is your words. For example, I can say, as we are constructing the building, or it may be apartment, or it may be small house, whatever may be, the foundation is required. How much big building you can build, but the foundation is required. So like that, for our life, words is our foundation. If you focus on that words, you can do miracles. And one more thing I want to say here, once foundation is over, we pour water for 2 to 3 times per day, because the pillars to get strong, isn't it? Yes or no? Please type yes if I'm correct. Please type Y if I'm correct. Yes. Yes. To make it strong, to make the pillar strong, to make our foundation strong, we have to work on that. We have to work on that till we get it. Till we get it, we have to work on that. So never ever use that, I don't know this, I know everything. It's too late to start now. Don't say. It's never too late. Say this. It's never too late in our life to get into one step ahead. whatever we know, as all know everything, I accept that. But the one thing we have to, we have to accept that we have to implement that. We have to take into action. Then only we can do. Then only we can know what are our strongs, what are our merits, where we are strong. So it's never too late. And I have seen recently one person, she's having more than 60 years, I can say. Her name is Madhu Vyas. You can type in Google, you can search that. She is more than 60 years, and she has never, she don't know how to breathe. She can't breathe herself. So it's not barrier for her to do anything. She tuned her mind to do anything. I can do anything and everything. So there is age is not barrier. It's never too late. Think like that. It's never too late in our life, in my life. And I always mess things up. Never say this. I always mess things up. As I told behavior, as I told before that, she already written a book. I don't know exactly the name of book, but she has written a book. I will come to know tomorrow. I will tell you. And she is very inspiration for us like people. She is very inspiration. And I will share her pic also in our group. So I always mess things up. Don't say this. I learn from my mistakes and grow. Everybody will do mistakes. Everybody will do mistakes. So we have to learn from that mistakes and never ever repeat that mistakes. Then we can know, we can learn what are the things in which area we have to grow, in which area we have to, and in which area we have not grown. The area which are merits and which are demerits, we can able to know when we learn from our mistakes, when we accept our mistakes. I can say there are 90 to 94% people are there, they will not accept their mistakes. Then the people stops there. They cannot grow further. We have to accept our mistakes, whether it is in family or other outside, anywhere. We have to accept our mistakes. Then only we can grow. If we accept what happens, we know where we lagged. And we have to tune our mind that don't ever do it further. Never do it further. Then we can grow and we can learn new things from that. And the last but not least, don't say this, I feel worried. Say this, I feel inspired. You just convert your worries into inspirations. You just convert your problems into solutions, into success. Whatever the problems comes to in your way, whatever the worries comes to in your way, you just convert into your positive signs, positive symbols. Whatever is coming in your life, it's all positive for you. You have to think like that. Then you can do miracles, wonders, anything. And we will go further. I hope all are understood. If anybody having doubt, please, you can unmute or you can type in chat box before we go further. If you understood, please type yes in chat box. Okay, I hope all are understood. Okay, let's go further. Six powerful words makes an impact on your life. What are those six powerful words? It changes your life. Okay, yes, Adarshi. Okay. Thank you for replying. 6 powerful words makes an impact on your life. I can say these words can change your life if you focus on these words. And what are those words? I am the best. I can do anything and everything. God is always with me. I born to be a legend. All power is within me. And last but not least, today is my day. And here I have mentioned me. I can also mention you. You are the best. You can do anything and everything. God is always with you. But I want to make you connect that you have to read. You have to connect to yourself. I'm the best. I'm the best. I can do anything and everything. That's why I changed this I and me. And I want to check whether all have to unmute yourself. Videos, you have to turn on your videos. We will do something like we just chant. I'm going to tell you how to do all these 6 things daily. I will do 3 to 4 times per day. Close your eyes and you have to do. Please, I want everyone to open on your videos. Yes, I am able to see here Pallavi ji, Adarsh ji, and what about others? Please open, turn on your videos. Otherwise, you can, if you are not comfortable, you can close your eyes and tell with me. Just to practice to yourself, I'm telling. Okay, I'm starting. Close your eyes. Tell to yourself, you can unmute, you can mute yourself and tell to yourself, you just have to visualize each and everything. Whatever we are doing now, you have to visualize that, and daily you have to practice this. I hope all are understood. I think please type yes in chat box, or you can unmute and tell. Have you understood all? Yes, okay. Okay, let's do. Just all close your eyes and tell, I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. You can say 11 times. Please, anybody want to say something? No? Okay. And by my experience, I'm telling, I will do 11 times each word. For here, we will do only 3 times. Okay, close your eyes. I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. I can do anything and everything. I can do anything and everything. I can do anything and everything. God is always with me. God is always with me. God is always with me. I born to be a legend. I born to be a legend. I born to be a legend. All power is within me. All power is within me. All power is within me. Today is my day. Today is my day. Today is my day. Just open your eyes. I just want to know how you feel after doing this. If you do 11 times, you feel better than this. Please type in chat box how you felt after doing this. Is any change? Very focused. Others typing. Yes. If you will feel more better if you do 11 times. Whenever you take the time, whenever you feel free, you can do this. There is no time limit. Okay, Maurya said nice. Pallavi, refreshing. Yes. What about the other people? Nobody is refreshing. Nobody is nice. Durgesh ji, yes. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Please do this in your daily, make a habit. Make a habit to do this in your daily life. If you do, I can say if you do for 7 days, it becomes a habit for you. Whenever you feel free, you do this. It really works out. It really changes your life. Okay. Thank you, Durgesh. Okay, let's go further. We move on in detail. I am the best. I know I'm the best. Because this is your life. Nobody else will come and tell that you are the best. You have to tell yourself, I'm the best. If you do your work nicely, perfectly, everybody follows you. So you have to tell yourself, I am the best. Just one moment, 1 second. Yes, sorry. Yes, I want to share one story here. One day the son asked to his father, what do you mean by life, Dad? Then without replying anything, his father given a stone and told him, you have to go to 3 places to find out its value. Then his son said, okay, Dad. Then his father replied, you never say the price. Whoever asks you, you never tell them the price. You just show your 2 fingers. Whoever asks you what is the price of this stone, you have to show 2 fingers. I am a bit. You have to show only 2 fingers. So his son said, okay, Dad. First, his father told to go to marketplace. So his son taken the stone and went to marketplace. There one woman asked, what is the price of this? Then he shown 2 fingers. Then the woman told that, oh, only $2 it is. Yes, I want to buy. Give me. This stone will be useful for me to put some vegetables, to put my fruits. It is useful for me. Then he came again to his father and told that she told only $2. Then he told, are you able to see my slides? Please tell me, are you able to see my slides? I think now you can able to see. Yes? Okay. Thank you. So, so first marketplace finished. Then he came to his father and told that she asked $2. Okay, now you go to second place. That is museum. You go there whenever, wherever asks you, you never open your mouth. Just show your 2 fingers. Then he went to museum. Then the museum person asked him, wow, it's very beautiful stone. Where you got this? And what is the price of this, my boy? They asked. Then he showed only to his 2 fingers. Then the museum person asked him that, wow, only $200? I want to buy this. The boy was shocked and he came back and told his father that the museum person asked $200. Okay, finished. Okay, now you have to go to third place. That is the specially rocks shop. Then he went there. He given the stone to the person. He told, wow, how much beautiful it is, very rare stone. Where you got this? How you got this? He asked. He never replied anything. Then he asked, what is the cost of this? I have to buy this. What is the cost of this? I want to know. Then he just shown his 2 fingers. Then the person told, wow, only $200,000. I just want to buy. Give me now only. I just want to buy. Then he has no words to speak. He just slowly came into his home and told his father that the museum person, sorry, the rock specialist shop person asked him $200,000. And he expressed his feeling that I have no words to say, dad, like that he expressed. So his father simply told him that, I hope now you have understood what do you mean by life. You have to know your value, where you want to put now. You want to put your life in $2 and you have to lead your life lifelong, you have to lead your life the $2 like, or you want to put your life in $200,000. Then the son got shocked and he never replied anything. And the father gone telling that everything is in your mind. You have to think in which value you want to. You have to put in which value. And it's better if you encourage the other people's value. You have to find out their inner self and you have to encourage them. If you do like that, you feel more confident. Whatever you do to others, you will get back the same. It may be positive or negative. If you think positive about others, you feel positive to yourself. You will increase positiveness day by day, day by day. If you feel negative about other persons, you build the same into your mind. So the choice is yours, like that he told. So what have you understood from this lesson? The value is in your mind, is with you. You are the best. Whatever be, in what situation you are, whatever be the grade, you are white or black, you are living in a single bedroom house, or you are living in a triple bedroom house, or you are living in a bungalow, whatever be the value, whatever be the place, you just know your value. You don't decrease yourself. You have to tell yourself, I am the best. I can do. I am the best. I hope all are understood. Then we go further. The second thing is, I can do anything and everything. You can't put a limit on anything. The more you dream, the further you get. Everything is in your mind. If you dream big, you can achieve big. As before, before people, the old people will say that if you dream, you have to dream up to your level. It is completely a myth. Completely a myth. If you think on your level, how can you grow? If you want to grow, you have to think beyond. You have to think beyond. So I can do anything and everything. You keep on telling that. You can't perfect in everything, but you will be perfect in something. That is anything. If you want to perfect in anything and everything, then you will be nothing. Keep it in mind that you cannot be perfect in anything and everything. You can do anything and everything, but you can't perfect. You will be perfect in anything. That you have to find out what is that anything. You just pick out that anything and keep on rocking on that. And here I want to say one example. One example that I'm telling the simple example just to connect you people. As I asked to God, I want a cake. I want a cake. Simply, in that place of cake, you can put your thing, your dreams or your goal, anything. Just to understanding, to connect you people, I'm using that word cake. I asked God, I want a cake. On Monday, he has given me the flour. On Tuesday, he has given me the sugar. And on Wednesday, he has given me the essence, something we mix in cake or baking powder. And the fourth day, he has given me the maida, that is flour. Like that, he has given me everything. But I have to think myself that I have everything. And go on further, 4 days are over. God has given you. And on the 5th day, you just again asking to God, I want cake. He just gives you the outcome. He will not give you the everything on your before your eyes. You have to find out. Like that, we have everything in our brain. We are having everything within ourselves. We have to find out that. We have to mix all that. How can we make a cake? We have to mix all. Then the cake, you have to make some preparation. Then we find out a cake. Like that, in your life, you are having everything. You have to mix all. Then the final output, the success will come to you. You have to find out, I can do anything and everything. I hope you all understood. Let's go further. God is always with me. Dear God, thank you for being there when nobody else was. You were created by the God. It's his responsibility to take care of you. But we as the human beings, we can't understand the basic thing. We just rush into our lives and we not patient to get the things. Within 1 second, within one day, within one night, we want everything. It can't be possible. It's impossible. You have to believe in God. God is always with you. Here, I just want to share my real life story as I have experienced in the year 2018. As I have experienced this in 2018. We the family went to Shirdi to take the blessings of Sai Baba. So we booked everything before and we went and we had the darshan of Baba and we all felt happy. And after coming out, I myself thought that I want to take the blessings of Baba Samadhi, but I couldn't. So I thought I will go again and definitely I will take the blessings of Baba Samadhi. Again, we went on normal darshan as in queue and we made the darshan. But at this time also, I have not got the blessings of Samadhi, Baba Samadhi, because there was so much of crowd. So they closed the windows. So after coming out, I never satisfied with myself. I have to take the blessings of Baba Samadhi. And within 1 minute, in 1 minute, I boost my mind. I put into my mind that why I'm not getting. I have to get the blessings of Samadhi. And I keep on telling for 1 minute. And in just few seconds, I can say, I just got the way how to go into make a darshan. That is, at that time, my younger son is a very small kid. I can say few months, 15 or 16 months baby he was. So there was a special darshan for the kids who are very young, very two young people, young kids. So we made a ticket there and and as and when we entered, the gates, the windows were opened. And that situation is rolling in my mind and before my eyes. I couldn't forget that situation. And I felt so happy, and I got the blessings of Baba Samadhi. And that is what the situation I want to share with you. So God is always with me. As in, we are built by God. We are the creation of God. So God is within us. Within us, God is there. No elsewhere. So we believe in God. Let's go further. I want to be a legend. The great people are not born. They grow great. And one day we tell them legends. All people born at one place and at once. All people come from their mother's womb once only. The legends will not come multiple times. The great people never come multiple times. Everybody comes at once. Everybody is having one brain. Everybody is having one mind. Everybody is having one heart. So the way how we are using in our life makes the difference. So I want to be a legend. The great people are not born. And one day we will call them the legends. What do you mean by legend? I want to know. Please, anybody type in chat box or they can share. What do you mean by legend? Anybody? Who can solve any problem? Yes, Jagdish. Yes, they are having the ability to solve any problem. They can face any problem. They can face any situation. They do something which couldn't done in the past. They do something which couldn't done in the past. Okay. Anybody? Okay, let's go ahead. You have to focus on what you want, but what you don't want. Each and everything makes a difference. If you want to see the difference in your life, you have to say that first. What is the difference you want to see in your near future? You want to say first. They are specialists in their field. Adarsh Pandey. Yes. Yes, yes. Good. So, if you want to see any difference in your life, the positive difference, you have to say, as I told before, your words having so much power. So you have to say to yourself each and every time what you want to see in your life, what you want to become. You have to say each and everything in present tense. Whatever you are telling, you should tell in present tense. Whatever you want to gain in near future, you have to dream that, you have to visualize that, and you have to tell that in present tense as you are getting now. What you want to become in near future, you have to think now, you have to tell in present tense. I hope you understood. Now, for example, I'm telling, I want to become a rich. That is future. I want to become a rich. In present tense, you have to say, I am a rich person. I am a rich person. That is present tense. I want to, the another thing, if you want to become healthy, I want to become healthy. That is future. I am healthy. I am healthy now. I am wealthy now. I'm a rich person. I'm a powerful person. My words are having so much power. Each and everything, whatever you want to tell, you tell in the present tense. You are visualizing that you are getting in the future, that you have to visualize in the present. I hope you understood. Please type yes. Am I connected to you or not? I want to know. Yes, okay. Thank you. So stop thinking about your problems. Stop thinking about your problems. Start thinking at problems. You never ever think or tell about your problems. You have to face the problem. You have to speak with that problem. For example, I am going to say you are having some fear. You are a fear guy. You are a shy guy. Stop telling about your shyness. Stop telling about your fearness. Start telling at fear. Start telling at shy. Why? This is what I'm going to tell. Why? You have to find out your why. Why you are fear? Why you are powerless? Why you are in poverty? Why you are not becoming a rich? Why? Why I am not? You have to start thinking that and stop thinking about all your problems, all your difficulties. Stop thinking about that. Start thinking at problems. Why this problem came to me? Why I am a shy guy? Why I am not a rich guy? Why I am here in this position? Why I am here? You have to tell to yourself. You have to talk to yourself. You have to think to yourself. Then you will become a legend. Then you will be called as a legend. Legends, as I told earlier, legends are not born. Legends are the great people. The legends are not born. They grow great. They grow from their problems. They know their why. Then they become the legends. Okay, let's go further. The fifth one, all power is within me. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. This is the famous quote, as you all know, told by Swami Vivekananda. Whatever the book written by Vivekananda, you can find this word. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. You have to say yourself, all power is within me. All power is within me, because this is your life. You have to face your life. And you have the capability, and you have that capability to become a rich, to think about rich, to think about healthy, to think about wealthy. You're having that power because it is your life. You have to think yourself how to schedule your, how you want to become in your life in future. When you set, I want to say one thing here, when you set your goal, when you set your dream, and with the time limit, you have to put the time limit with the goal. You just rock. Believe me, you have to put your time limit with the goal. You just rock it like anything. You just work on that. You will get that. Within that time, before that time only you will get. Just believe me. So you have to keep on telling that all power is within me. This is my life. Nobody will come to tell me that you are having that much power. If you are keep on doing your things, if you keep on thinking about your power, if you keep on learning the new things and implementing the new things, the power grows day by day. See, everybody is having knowledge. Everybody is knowledgeable person. But the thing is, you have to implement it. As I told earlier, you have to implement it. Then only you can know your power, your within power. As God is given power to each and everybody the same power is given to each and everybody in this world. We have to find out that power by changing our words, by changing our thoughts, by changing our mindset. We just find out our power within us. And the last but not least is today is my day. Love more, worry less. Love more, worry less. If you spread love, you automatically worry, less worries will come to you, less problems will come to you. You have to love more. You have to live your life. You have to live your life before life leaves you. And you never ever give the remote control of your life to somebody else. Today is my day. You have to make a timetable for today. What is I'm going to do? What I'm going to do this whole day, from morning till night. You will automatically get the time. You never give your remote control to other people. Whether it is your family person or the other outside people, anybody, you should keep your remote control within you, with you. And you have to enjoy each and every minute, each and every second. Have to enjoy. That belongs today is my day. I am getting what I want to. I'm doing, I'm working on that, what I want to become. Every day is a learning, every minute is a learning, every second is a learning. If you want to reach your goal within the time. So I'm done for today. I think this is the last slide. This is the last point. If anybody having any doubts or if you want to talk with me, please carry on. Nobody? Am I audible, by the way? Okay, Adarshi. No doubts. Okay, fine. So I think for today, you clarified everything. And the same assignment as yesterday, you have to do video, whether it may be in seconds or minutes, it's your wish. But I want you have to gain something as you are spending 1 hour. Yesterday you spent 1 hour and today you spent 1 hour with me. Everybody is having problems. Everybody is having their own circumstances, their own situations. So you are spending your valuable time with me for 1 hour. I just want to add value. I hope today I have added value, some value to you. So what is that value? What is the outcome? What you have gained today? What you have learned today? You have to make a video. This is for you, not for me. If you made a video, you know that what you learned today. Yesterday what you learned, today what you learned. It is just for you. So that is the assignment for today. So let's go further. That is for tomorrow. Tomorrow is very important day. I'm going to share so many things, so many powerful things. And day 3, how mind works. How your mind works. Differences in minds. How mind works, differences in minds. Know your thoughts. We will go very detailed about these things for tomorrow. I hope I done for today. Thank you all for spending 1 hour time with me. Thank you all. Have a good day. Good night to all. Thank you so much.